colorful monkey, 1, 2, 3. And today I'm going to show you my doggy. Oh, okay. Look, that little doggy. She's so adorable.
Hi.
Hello. Hello. Oh, she's going poop and pee. You're such a good girl. You're such a good girl. You're such a good girl. Okay. Now we're gonna go through the woods. We just call it the woods. And maybe we'll call it Into the Woods maybe one day, guys.
Download.
We're gonna see my dog.
Download Mustache Man.
No, go follow Mustache Man. She means okay. Good doggy. Good doggy. Yeah, she just peed. That's all. So guys, we're gonna have to end this video. But first, I'm gonna show you our cars.
Yep. 2 cars we're gonna show you. Then after our home.
This is a Alexis. And I don't know, but this one is a 3-road car.
And that has a back seat. This one doesn't. The white car doesn't.
Oh, look, you can see me filming. Hey. Hey. Hey.
Hey.
Hey.
Peace.
Hey.
My peace sign.
The car.
Every video we do peace signs.
The road, you can probably not
Where
see
it
it.
says with peace signs.
Okay, we're gonna have to go, guys. Bye.